Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country girl, big up. Country boss, big up. Country boy, big up. 647 boss, big up. 876 boss, big up. Trini boss, my brethren, big up. Rebel, you don't stop from fly out. Why I fly all the way from foreign? And I tell you, oh, we afraid. Big up yourself, Rebel. See, nuclear. Big up yourself. Africa boss. Big up yourself, undocumented. Yeah, check out the WhatsApp and the Patreon and the whole thing, the group. The link there right there, so below. Yeah, my wonderful people, it's crazy. As you can see, female gangster top in the Klansman team. You understand? A joke, and may I go through the whole thing and talk to people and I do the research, and I mean I say that woman must be a mad woman, blood clot. If you can be a pastor, use a female pastor and use the top tier, one of the top tier gangster in a Klansman one damn gang. That woman ya lose her head. Yo, let's move on and never talk about that damn pastor, yo. It's crazy. Yeah, so I'm like, this lady must be really losing her mind. You understand? She owns a church in St. Thomas. And the man said she go to church every Sunday. You understand? She even lead trips, church outings, and all of that. You understand? And is a so-called reputable member of the community. But look what she's doing. You want to know what she do? Not telling you what she do. Now, she are the defunct spiritual advisor for the Klansman One Dan, or the One Dan gang. And she provide them with gatherings. You understand? That are the first thing. What she do? She load up the gathering them. Now she's a lady of Christ, you know. And she provide them with gathering. She also handle them affairs in terms of money, banking. She's like a office manager, a executive office manager. She also handle them lawyer and them any matter if you deal with police. She are the liaison officer for the gang when it comes to all of them things there. Let's move on. This lady was an intelligence officer for the One Dan Klansman gang. You see what it says right there? She would gather the information from the license plate, the color of the car, look for the police car, the different kind of car, and would pass it on to black man. You understand? And if there was a problem with the police them in a neighborhood or whatever, she would have sought it out, I guess talk to the police then. Y'all see that? No, this is an ordained pastor. And not only that, she's female, which is unique. And this is what she chose to do to the citizen of Jamaica, dog. Let's move on. Look at the screen in front of you. And look what it says. This lady right here, she's not only the group's administrative top tier gang member who deal with intelligence on the car them when at the place, and she also conspire for fling with the youth when name Ice. You understand? And I that the witness testify now about that pastor, yeah. She even got a prison go visit him. And I tell him, say, boy, him thing I get water down. Cause him there jail and nobody now get fling. Yo, this just sound like some really sick, psychotic people them, dog. Like, really and truly, the information will come out of that youth trial. That young and that boy, Wanda and them and Klansman. That's some of the sickest thing me ever seen in my life, dog. And them are the first ones start chop off people, whatnot, you know. And all that carry it around in a bucket. You understand? And this lady is a pastor, you're married, you have a church, you live one kind of life, and you choose to go mix up with them youth. Then I saw the money did enough, dog. No. Like how she right now, them for hang she, them for hang her, straight up. The pastor, yeah, that's why I see me. I one thing me know about human being, you know. We are some of the worst set of creatures on the planet. You did it without some people and them I say, yeah man, you're my best friend, this, that. And as soon as they leave, them I plan to kill you. That's a human being state. Sorry, it's a stigma. My mother always said, black people have a stigma. You understand? The only thing they know to do is to thief and stab you in your back. And that's usually tell me. And me usually cringe when she said them things about now me get older and you're going through life and then thing that you understand what your mother talk about. No, that lady, I don't know if she thinks she will get out of jail. Because, like me I said, the Jamaican police them on that case them do a good job. And at the first in our history, 33 people and them use the new gang law, the anti-gang law. But that girl they're not going away, and even if she beat the case, would I advise the police them for find something and lock her up back. Plant a gun pan her, yo. People like those we can't. You see, when you're in a certain position and you violate the trust of the public and the citizen, that include policeman, that include pastor, doctor. We don't know the liar, them are thief and liar and politicians, so them outside. But certain kind of job or title, it comes with protecting the public, and that's in a that you do. You understand? So for me, I've never ever seen so much crazy stuff in my life, and them we need to do a movie on Klansman. I want that, because the stuff that's coming out of this trial and the characters is only movie you see it in. But yeah, me just did want highlight with a lady I deal with and the stuff. She a give the man them yard ring. She a conspire to fling with ice. And she a do the banking, the go to for the money, the liaison when the man them they are prison. She had the intelligence. She do the intelligence where she spot the cars them and know which car are police and which car is not police and who is who and what is what and how the man them to move. And I saw that lady a trained, ordained pastor who is a female who has a unique position in Jamaican society. And that girl take it and do that to Bomba. Like, yo, she fit live a prison. Yo, more them put her up on the galas. My name is Countryman. Remember, to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. And like me say, I've never seen anything like this. The female gangster pastor, to stay a prison. Countryman and